So good morning, y'all. It is a Saturday, it's January 3rd, still the first week of the new year, and we're starting off the new year with additional not so good news. So I'm heading to a funeral. One of my mom family friend, mom had passed away. Sorry, has passed away. So we're heading out of town to St. Mary's side to head to the funeral, and oops. Just wanted to show you the little fit that I'm wearing. Anytime I'm going to like a funeral type of vibe, y'all, this is a dress that I wear. Like, it's just so, I love it so much. Like, I think I want to get it in more colors. This is actually a Zara dress, by the way. It's very cute. The back, not sure if you guys can even see it, but yeah, cute little dress. And I'm wearing my heels as well. I'll show you guys that in the mirror shortly, but I'll be doing the driving too, so I'm gonna bring in a few people. So I just boiled 2 eggs. I'm gonna hurry up and eat that, head out to the gas station, then head to my mom's house to pick up, and then we'll leave. We're supposed to leave at 9, and oops, I'm supposed to be at my mom's house by 9, and it's 8:46. So 10 minutes time I can eat my boiled eggs, tea, head to the gas station. I should be able to get there because my mom, we don't live that far apart, probably like a 5 minute drive. So yeah, I guess we'll just pick up some time throughout this weekend. And yeah, not gonna be a great day. You know how funerals are. Not gonna be a great day. Hey guys, what's a day? Just wanted to check in. We're heading home right now, so I will see you later. I keep trying for you. Alright guys, we are home from the funeral. I did some drop off and stuff, so I got home probably like 8:30. I am extremely, well, not that tired, I'm not gonna lie. I'm feeling just a tad bit tired, but not too much. Listen, my hair is so frizzy. Like, the temperature in St. Mary, we were in Platteville. St. Mary, that's what you call it, right? Platteville. Like Richmond, Platteville area. Yeah, we were there. So it's not too far from Kingston. It's like an hour and 30 minutes drive, basically. So we weren't that far from Kingston. But yeah, today, how funerals go. We don't need to talk about it. But I did show you guys some food that I got. Oh my god. The soup, 10. The food, 10. By the way, I went into the bar for probably like half an hour to help serve drinks and alcohol and stuff like that, because there were only 2 people in the bar. And after the funeral service, everybody just want to eat and drink. So I was in the bar helping a little bit. Obviously, I wasn't able to video because, yeah, so the girl was busy with her hands. But right now we're just gonna wind down for tonight. Tomorrow we're gonna be heading out. Tomorrow's Sunday, guys. We're going out. Listen, guys, don't pay me no mind with this going out business. And I know it's not every weekend I go out. It's not every weekend, and I have classes starting soon. So the girl is going to be busy. From my classes are 4 days a week, every day, every single day, 4 days a week. Jesus. Sorry. So we're gonna wind down, shower, and then I already set the mood for the Saturday night. Candles already lit. Just gonna change, shower, head to bed. I do have some leftovers chicken that I bought. From the same St. Mary that I had. Hold on. Oh, I should put my hands in my eye. So I'm gonna have the rest of my leftovers, and we're just gonna watch another Stranger Things series because I didn't finish watch that last night. Yeah. So I'll keep you guys posted. Tomorrow we're gonna be getting ready to go out on the road. Sunday, by the way, I don't have no work. Oh, we're supposed to be going to the beach. I'm thinking first of all, my car documents needs updated, so I need to update it before I think about going to the beach. So I'm trying, hopefully that can be sorted out on Monday. So Tuesday we'll go to the beach. I have work on Wednesday, but I'm really thinking to call out on Wednesday and go back to work Thursday instead, because I just really need some more days off. Like this last year, 2025, I did not take a lot of days off. I think I probably only took like, I think during April. No, I didn't take any days in April, but in October, it probably took like 2 days. I really didn't took no time off last year at all. So, yeah, I think I deserve some more days off before I get into it. And then I said I have school and all of that, so I'm gonna take another day. So we'll confirm that on Monday. I keep trying.